Howdy y'all, this is Dwight and welcome back to my channel. Well, I finally have another pocket knife that I can show off. It's been almost 6 months or maybe even more since my last one that I finished. This one here's my Country Gentleman pattern. It is 3 3/4 inches in the closed position. And in the open position, it is 6 5/8 inches long. Blade and back spring is CPM 154. I got a 400 grit hand rub finish. And the covers is Ivory G10. Has brass liners. I did some file work along the spine. And it has brass pins, brass shield, and a bird's eye style pivot. I'll have to say the shield looks pretty good, but I had to do some hand filing to get it to fit correctly. So the fitment isn't 100%, which this knife is going to be a gift, so it will be just fine for that. But that is the one flaw on this is that cross. That's hard to fit. I'll just say that. I have a pretty decent finish on the inside. That's a 400 grit belt finish on the inside of the back spring. Has a decent action. It's a nice medium pull. I'd say a firm medium. Locks into the open position quite nicely. So here is pocket knife number 107 that I have made. I do appreciate y'all stopping by, and until the next time, y'all take care.